So when you walk the show, you see a lot of people that are looking for ways to do kind of a DIY build. Start out with car camping, maybe add a mattress in the back. Then they go home and they watch some YouTube channels, they throw together some plywood, and they think they've got it happening. This is what really is interesting for bringing people into our market. But I've met Nathan, who's the founder of Car to Camp, who's made it a lot easier. So save yourself the screws and nails. Let's find out what Nathan's got for us. Nathan, tell us a little bit about Car to Camp and what you've invented here.
Sure, thanks. Yeah, we took the best ideas of all the DIYs that have ever been built and baked it down into one awesome design. So this is our sleeping platform that we make for over 1,000 different vehicles, all the Subarus, the Jeeps, the Toyotas, and more. It's really about two things. So you get the storage space underneath and a flat space to sleep on top. So it's adjustable. You can adjust its length to customize it based on where you want your front seats to be when you're driving. You get 11.5 cubic feet of storage space underneath. It's really been born out of our own pain points when car camping and traveling, and that's what influenced this design.
Yeah, and it looks like it's all made out of a pressure-treated material, or what do we have here?
Yep, it's made out of a birch, which is the best balance between strength and weight.
Uh-huh. And then you've obviously just got simple containers in it. Now, this is part of the build. I don't want to be showing your undergarments here.
So I'm living in this for the next 4 months while I hit shows. This is my closet.
Oh, that's really good. And complete with Car to Camp t-shirts.
Complete with Car to Camp t-shirts. Yeah, so what we did was we designed it so that you could use storage bins in it if you wanted, and they act like drawers. But if you don't want the storage bin, you can just take it out. It saves on cost, it saves on weight. It's designed to be everything you need and nothing you don't.
Okay, tell me what's going on in the front there with the hinged area.
Yeah, those are super cool. I can show you around the front here, actually. This hinged wing is super important. So it curves outwards at the front of your vehicle where it gets wider to give you increased shoulder room when sleeping. You can roll over easier. It makes getting in and out of the vehicle easier, and it hinges up so you can access all your storage space underneath.
Very cool. And the same thing happens on the other side.
Yes, they're symmetrical. This is our full-size unit, but we also sell a single-person unit, which is this design, but in a 60 split, so you can utilize one of your rear seats.
And I'm noticing these boards in the center. Is this how you adjust the length or the height?
Yep, that's exactly right. This is how you adjust the length of the platform. You can space these slats in different areas.
Reminds me of Thanksgiving dinner at my grandmother's house.
You know, no one said that, but I know exactly what you're talking about. My grandmother had the same table.
Yeah. So it really does look like, just plug and play here. So it comes knocked down and it's easy to put together? How long does it take to put the project together?
Yeah, that's right. So it comes disassembled, and then you can assemble it without any tools required in just 10 minutes at home. It all pops together like this, grooves and notches. And then there's Velcro, and there's a few bolts that you tighten, but no tools required on your end.
I feel like I've met the Stephen Jobs of car camping here. I don't know.
There is a lot of thought put into this design. I mean, we were engineering students at Penn State when we started this.
Fantastic, fantastic. So, and over here, I do see we got a list of some of the cars that you do fit in. You said you have over 1,000?
Over 1,000 different vehicles. Those are the most popular ones. Most of our platforms go to Subaru owners or Toyota owners, but we do a whole lot of them.
Fantastic. So let's talk about price. I mean, again, I know I'm not looking at a rooftop tent made out of aluminum, imported from some down under country. But tell me what we got here in terms of cost.
Right, so we make these all in Pennsylvania, all in Reading, Pennsylvania. And this full-size platform, as you see here, goes for $895 online. And our single-person unit goes for $795 online. And they all ship for free anywhere in the 48 states.
Fantastic. So, I mean, honestly, by the time you get this done and you thought, I'm going to build my own, the frustration, the splinters, the wrong color that you chose to paint it when you decided, I think I'll just paint this. This is beautiful, and it looks really great.
Yeah, thank you.
Does it fit with a lot of the existing aftermarket mattresses and things that I've seen here?
Yep.
What do you usually find people putting inside?
On this full-size platform, we recommend a full-size memory foam mattress topper. We sell them on our website as well. They're a little bit oversized for most vehicles, but they're so soft that they contour to the curvature of the vehicle. And then the single-person unit has been designed around the popular dimensions of like Thermarest pads or Big Agnes or all the big manufacturers.
Fantastic. Well, Nathan, I'm super impressed, man, and I really like it. I mean, I know of a couple Subaru owners that I'm going to pass this on to, but if somebody wants to find out more, what's the website and how do they order from you?
That's at car2camp.com, and you can place your orders on there, and we'll get them shipped out of Pennsylvania to you.
Fantastic. Thanks for bringing it to the show. Appreciate it.
Thanks for talking with me.